Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by setting a clear goal. Which system, how many questions, and a time block. This anchors focus. Once done, open Uworld and choose tutor mode so explanations stay visible. You'll answer questions actively, then pause to write a one-sentence takeaway and any missed concept in your notebook. Make sure to flag tough items for later spaced review. This converts mistakes into study material and prevents passive reading. You now dive into the explanation. Read the full rationale and analyze the mechanism. This explains why the answer fits. Then, reevaluate each distractor and note precisely why it is wrong. After that, supplement only if a knowledge gap persists, use a concise source, and update your notes. Next, distill the concept into a 1 to 2 line summary and craft one targeted spaced repetition card. This locks in the how and why of the concept. Finish by organizing flagged and incorrect questions into a space schedule, using Anki or calendar reminders so you revisit weak areas. Then, compile repeat error themes into a short review sheet to study before exams. If you hit a plateau, stop and simplify. Isolate one concept, relearn it succinctly, and immediately reattempt related questions to rebuild confidence. If confusion persists, seek a concise clarification video or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.